your island thing, it has like a heart in the middle.
Oh, it does have a heart in the middle. So we got the skyline right here, and there's some live music over there. We have the Macau Tower right here, and we have some other illuminated as well over here. And I'm up here in this beautiful place with my kids who are behind me. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So I got my daughter there and my son there, and we're just checking out the views. And we're up on top, we're on something called PENHA Hill, and this is PENHA Lookout, I believe. But yeah, I'll just kind of let you see what's going on there. They're right there, that's Saivan Lake, and over there is Namban Lake. So we got two lakes here. We got some live music at the Macau Tower tonight, so that's going on in the background. You got some bungee jumpers jumping off of the Macau Tower. In the background you have Taipa Island. You can see the airport is over there, and then you can see some casinos over there. That's Galaxy casinos are lit up at the top behind the mountain over there. And then over here we have Wynn and MGM casinos right there. Treasure Island, which is a new one, which is in Namban Lake. You can actually walk around that whole lake. Nice beautiful views because you got the skyline everywhere. You got Grand Lisboa right there. And you got Star World is the blue one with a yellow star on it. And there's some other stuff too. There's one place you can go up to a restaurant slash bar up at the top. It's that one that says FIT, which is Fashion Institute of Technology. And then we're kind of up on this little hill. So we're on PENHA Hill. On the other side of this is PENHA Church, is over down that way, is a little ways. And we have this, got a TikToker here, which is pretty cool. And we got these beautiful blue buildings over here. So let me just raise the camera. That's on the Zhuhai China side. So that little string of buildings right there are all on the Zhuhai China side. And starting with that green building. So that green building you can see, let's go over here. Now the green building's a blue building, but the blue building all the way down, those are all Zhuhai China. So that's the financial district that they're building. That they have built. It's just not occupied so much, like 10% or something like that, 90% unoccupied. And then right here, that's Ocean Gardens to the left of the red building. That's on the Taipa Macau side, and that bridge is part of Macau too. So, but the red one is actually on the China side. It looks like it could be over here, but it's not. So yeah, this just goes down, and there's Ocean Gardens, casinos there, Galaxy Casino. There's a mountain right there, Taipa Pequeño and Taipa Grande. There's two mountains on the Taipa side, so those are on the other side. And then right here is Saivan Lake, so you can actually walk around Saivan Lake. A lot of people will jog along that, or they'll take this trail that way walking as well. And because we're on a mountain, there's a lot of views. They're having a good old time. It is nice up here, really nice to be here in the evening. And the temperature right now, it's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 21 Celsius, I think, something like that. So we got like pretty much ideal weather, and it's December 30 right now. It's like a day before New Year's Eve. So we got some kind of amazing weather. Actually, the weather's always good here, to be honest. Even in December, it's like you have these nice nights and evenings like this where it's super cool. So anyways, another little slice. Let me turn the camera this way a little bit slowly because it's nighttime. Having a good old time. Yeah, it's a good place to be. Macau has a lot of pretty cool stuff everywhere. Got some nice views up here. This is we went up towards Rampa de PENHA. Is where we came up to. Beautiful views. Live music. So we got kind of like front row seats high up above to listen to the music. You can hear him speaking in the microphone as well. That right there in the middle part, that's a judicial courts. So they put that. All of this little stuff right here, there's like a road here and a road here, and they created 2 man-made lakes. So it used to all be ocean, but they keep kind of making new things. So you can see these 2 lakes now that are used to be ocean. There's some bridges. I think there's up to 4 bridges over that way. There's one bridge here, Saivan Bridge, connected with Saivan Lake. Governor's Bridge, the middle bridge. There's another bridge that goes up to Macau. There's another bridge they're building that goes to immigration to the Hong Kong island of Macau, where the bus terminal is at. And then there's also a bridge to Hong Kong. So we got a lot of bridges over here. And I guess we're gonna close this video because I'm with my daughter right here. Oh, he's up there now?
Yep.
And then there's this abandoned place. It's a little bit too dark, so we're not gonna go up there. But hey.
Hello.
We went up there earlier, but it's like a little abandoned house, but somebody's sweeping up and cleaning it so as well. Oh, there goes a bat. The bat just flew by, kind of low. Okay, so a little slice of Macau. We're on Rampa de PENHA. We're up at the top of the hill. Woohoo! You want to do the closing part where the hand goes into the camera lens?
Bye.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la